Sino naka-experience sa inyo na sa 1,000 na halaga, marami na ang may lalagay sa card na ito? Now ngayon, saan naabot ang 1,000 mo? Di ba ganito na lang? Tamang-tama. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kontrahin ang problema na ito. So, tune in and don't tune out. Hi guys! Welcome back to Save Up with Bobbie. My name is Bobbie Bernaldez, and I'm a lady driver here in Doha, Qatar, and I make videos more on saving, investing, protecting money, and usapang pang OFW. Now, if you're new to this channel, can you please click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ko kayo agad-agad. But wait! Sa lahat ng mga tao na gustong umattend ng free seminar for financial education and investment opportunities, you can join in my team, IMG. Because in my team, we care. Or sa mga lahat na gustong magpadala ng pera, ticketing, hotel reservation, or other services, you can contact on my Facebook account, Bobbie Bernaldez. Okay, back to our topic. How can we invest? Well, sa video na ito, we will topic on how to invest, what is investment, and why do we invest. Now, what is invest or what is an investment? Invest is somewhat we called giving an asset that will help you generate income in return. Now, let me explain. Isipin mo lang ito ha. Invest is not more on money itself. You can invest also in time, in gold, in money, and pwede ka din mag-invest in love. And how can we invest? Invest is something like you give something and then you expect something in return. Disclaimer lang guys. If you invest, mag-invest ka lang yung kaya mo lang mawala. Yung extra lang. Yung tipong na kapag nagbibigay ka, and in case nawawala, hindi masakit yun sa'yo. Bakit tayo bumibili ng gold? Bakit tayo nagnenegosyo? Bakit tayo nag-invest doon sa stocks? Because we are thinking that an income will return to us. Di ba? So, katulad lang din yan ng investing in time. Or pag-invest ng jowa. Investing in jowa or sa girlfriend or someone you love is the same thing with investing in money. Because you know why? Tulad nito. Kung nakikita nyo, this guy is investing his time, his love, para sa babae na ito. And in return, these guys are thinking na babalik din yung love na binigay din sa babae na mga to. Tama nga ba? So, investing in something like this, it will take months or years para ito. So, ganun ang klase ng investing. Investing is something that you give to someone and then you will expect something in return. Guys, make sure kung nagmahal kayo, minahal nyo na yung sarili nyo. Yung tipong extra na siya kasi kaya nyo na magmahal sa ibang tao. So, tulad din yan ng investment. Make it sure na extra mo na yan na pwede mo siyang patubuin. Pwede mo siyang palakihin. Ganon din sa love. Make it sure na minahal nyo na muna yung sarili nyo kaysa mahalin nyo pa yung ibang tao. Now, question. How can we invest? Well, magbigay ka lang, guys. Actually, magbigay ka lang dun sa mga tao na matagal na, yung maaasahan. Or yung mga broker na mapagkatiwalaan na. Then, expect na babalik yan sa'yo. And last question. Why do we invest? Kung sa pera, alam nyo ba na in every year itself, bababa yung value ng pera. Bababa siya ng 2% or 2.5%. You know why? It is because of inflation. Now, yun ang reason kung bakit bumababa ang presyo ng pera. Kaya, dito sa sinabi ko, nasa cart, marami ang nabili natin noon. Pero ngayon, maliit. To fight this dilemma, kailangan natin mag-invest, guys. So that is the main purpose why we invest. So, ganito din. Kung itatopic din natin yan sa personal life, why do we invest in love?
This guy's in love with you, pare.
Why do we invest in time? Now, depende na din yan sa'yo kung anong purpose mo. We invest in time to learn. So, yun ang iniisip natin na kapalit. We invest on that person because we believe on that person. We invest the love for that person kasi we are hoping na babalik din yung love nila para sa atin. It take risk kung mag-i-invest ka. Ganon na din yan sa pera, ganon din sa money, or sa gold, or sa love. Every investment, everything that you have to invest, there is a big risk. And it's up to you to research kung anong risk appetite na meron ka. If you're a conservative type, moderate, or high risk. So that's it, guys. Now, Bobbie, wala naman akong hinihinging kapalit. Well, sira ka pala eh. Hindi na yan negosyo, hindi na yan investment. Charity na yan. Now, for more info, guys, mas maganda kung magre-research kayo ng sarili niyo. Tandaan, yung pera na nakatulog is masama. Mas maganda yung pinapaikot mo siya. For the next topic, itatopic ko kung ano yung mga investment na maire-recommend ko sa inyo. So, tune in lang po kayo sa next video ko.
A few moments later.
So, sa mga shoutout dyan, dito po kay Ate Maribel. Shoutout dyan, Maribel.
Isali mo naman ako.
Dito. And shoutout sa lahat ng mga taga-Albayan.
2 hours later.
Now guys, I hope that you find this video informative And thank you so much guys for watching this video until the very end. Now, may tanong ako. May idea na ba kayo kung ano i-invest? Now, kung meron naman, i-comment nyo down below para pag-usapan natin ito. Now, pakatandaan. Sa bawat problema, may solusyon. Now, you really have to learn from it, work from it, and grow from it. Now, thank you so much guys for watching Save Up with Bobbie. This is Bobbie Bernaldez. See you on my next video.